Hi, grade 3. Good morning. This is Teacher Joy. How are you all? So, for today, we're going to learn landforms. I hope you're familiar with landforms. So, let's start. So, in this activity, you will learn about the different types of landforms. You will create landforms with modeling clay, and you will able to write an essay or composition about the landform of your choice. So let's begin. Landforms. Landforms are the kinds of land a place has. Landforms include mountains, valleys, plateaus, deserts, plains, islands, and peninsulas. So the first landform we're going to discuss is mountains. What are mountains? Can you please tell me your idea what mountains are? Very good. So mountains can be tall and sharply pointed like the Rocky Mountains. Mountains can be lower and more rounded like Appalachian Mountains. Next one is hills. A hill is a landform that is higher than the surrounding terrain or land, and that is smaller than a mountain. So basically, mountain is the highest landform. Next is valleys. Valleys are lowlands that lie between mountain ranges. So meaning to say it is a landform between two higher lands. Understood? They are often good places for communities because water runs down from the mountains and they have rich soil to grow crops. So it is good for farming. Next one is plateaus. Plateaus are landforms that have steep sides and a flat top. So try to imagine a mountain with a flat top. So it is similar to plateaus. They may stretch for miles in every direction. So can you please check the picture? This is an example of plateaus. Next one is deserts. I know you know deserts. So a desert is a dry land with few plants and little water. So in this place, it is very hot. But just for your information, we have two types of deserts. We have the hot desert, meaning to say it is the weather is very hot, and cold desert. Okay? Next one is an island. An island is a piece of land that has water on all sides. So it's a piece of island with water on all sides. Plains. The area of flat land along a sea or ocean is a coastal plain. Plains are flat, sometimes grassy lands that stretch for miles and can be good habitats for animals like zebras, lions, elephants, and giraffes. So this is where we live in also. Next is peninsulas. What are peninsulas? A peninsula is a piece of land that has water on only three sides and stretched to another piece of land. So it is not the same as the island, because when you say island, it is surrounded by water, but here it is surrounded by three sides only. A good example of peninsula is Florida. So you may check from Google the Florida so that you will able to know how does it look like. See, if you will check, this is Florida, so it seems like a triangle. So those three sides, it is water, okay? So again, let's have a review. What are the landforms mentioned in the presentation? We have mountains. What is mountain? It is a high, steep, rocky land. Very good. Next, we have valleys. Low land in between mountains. Correct. Next, we have plateaus. Plateaus are steep, slope land with a flat top. Correct. Next, we have hill. Hill is a landform that is higher than the surrounding terrain or land, and that is smaller than a mountain. Correct. Next, we have deserts. It is dry, sandy land. Next, we have plains. Flat, grassy land that stretches for miles. Correct? Next, we have islands. Land surrounded by water. Very good. And last, we have the peninsulas. Land with water on three sides. Can you please name again? Name all the landforms. We have mountains, valleys, plateaus, hills, deserts, plains, islands, and peninsulas. Very good. So now, for your activities, you'll be having two activities. First is the creative activity. So you'll make your project. I know you will like it. So give a lump of modeling clay. So you will make your own modeling clay. And I want you to mold and create one type of landform that is discussed. Okay? If you want to go back to the PowerPoint to check, it's okay. So for the modeling clay, you need the following: the flour, salt, and water to make your own modeling clay. After you made your clay, choose your favorite landform and then mold and create it. But I want you to make a video presentation while making your model. Is that clear? Thank you. And next activity is writing activity. So students will choose their favorite landform to write an essay or composition. Use your geography notebook for your composition. So you have to write the landform that you like. Why do you like it? So you have to give the definition. Maybe you can give examples also. If you will ask me if it's one landform, you can choose up to 3 landforms that you like. Okay? So make an essay or composition with 30 words. Okay? With 30 words. Is that clear? Did you understand? And then the submission of these activities deadlines will be on, for the writing activity will be on April 22, and then for the creative activity will be on April 23. So I hope you understood everything. So good luck and have a nice day. Bye.